Hello and welcome to this video tutorial that will explain how to view and leave comments on a project proposal sent for redraft. After reviewing your project proposal, the HFU may send it back for correction. Check the tabs. Comments left by the HFU will be indicated by this icon. You can view all the comments at the end of the tab. Please review the comments and make the necessary changes before resubmitting the project proposal. You also have the possibility to open all the comments that were made in one tab by clicking on View All Comments. It will open a new window from which you will be able to view, edit and print out all the comments. To print the comments, click on Print Comments. You can also leave a comment to respond to the HFU or provide additional information. Please note that comments are left at the tab level. To do so, write your comment in this box and click on Save Comment. To reply to a specific comment, indicate at the beginning of your comment its comment reference. It is displayed between brackets below the comment icon. For instance, here to reply to this specific comment previously left by the HFU, indicate, at PO1, at the beginning of your comment. Once saved, your comments will be displayed at the end of the page. You can use these icons to respectively edit or delete the comment. In the Budget tab, comments can be left at the tab level as well as at the budget line level. An annotation at the beginning of the comment will indicate for which category, and which line the comment was left. For instance, here at A.1 indicates that the comment was left on the first line of the section A Staff and Other Personnel Cost. You can click on this annotation to be redirected to the corresponding budget line. If you wish to reply to a comment or leave a new comment against a budget line, click on the comment icon at the beginning of the budget line. Leave your comment in the comment section and click on Save. The comment left against a budget line will be automatically displayed at the end of the tab in the comment section. You can use these icons to respectively edit or delete the comment. In some conditions, the HFU and CBPF Finance can decide to lock a budget section, which means that no additional correction is required at this stage. If a budget section is locked, the section will not be editable, and you can access it on a read-only mode. Once you have addressed all the comments, click on Continue to open the task page and move forward to the next step. This page displays all the tasks that you can perform at this stage of the allocation. Click on Submit Project Proposal to resubmit your project proposal. Once you selected this option, a new page will open where you will be able to leave a comment pertaining to this action if needed. Then click on Save and Finish. This is the end of our video tutorial on how to redraft a project proposal. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact your HFU.